Did you know that stress levels are surging across southern Africa, in countries like Angola, Zambia, Namibia, and South Africa? More and more individuals are feeling overwhelmed by daily responsibilities. In South Africa, a recent Gallup report revealed that 36% of the workforce experiences excessive stress daily, with over 71% disengaged in their professional roles. Zambia isn't far behind. According to a Gallup survey, 40% of Zambian workers report experiencing stress, significantly higher than the 25% reported in Zimbabwe. Namibia, while slightly better, still sees 31% of its workforce under stress. But for Namibia, it's growing massively, and thanks to our country having a very low population density, by landmass, followed only by countries like Mongolia, here the trend is exponentially increasing. Angola faces its own challenges. The International Monetary Fund has highlighted economic pressures, with debt nearing 70% of GDP, leading to reduced social service spending by 55% since 2015. What's contributing to this rise in stress? One significant factor is the burden of daily errands and time-consuming tasks, from grocery shopping during peak hours to handling multiple responsibilities without adequate support. These activities consume valuable time and energy. Consider this: if you spend an average of 2 hours weekly on errands, that's over 100 hours a year, time that could be spent on rest, family, or personal growth. This is where Prime Military Tasks Services steps in. We handle your daily tasks, be it grocery shopping, time-consuming physical tasks, or parcel pickups, efficiently and reliably. Our promise? Faster than an hour, or it's free. All these stats clearly show that grocery runs, errands, daily petty tasks, and on-road toils are tremendously contributing to our people's stress levels. Yes, we know poverty is an ever-growing problem here. With the most efficient and very affordable assistance in town, we save you time, money, and make your life tremendously easier. Africa is blessed with everything we need. You should be enjoying this land, and that's only achieved when society assists each other. That's why Prime Military Tasks aims at achieving that by eliminating this stronghold of errands, daily responsibilities, untimely events, having to do this and that. Your cousin needs something from Ochamoisa. The Ombili Road is quite a pain when you are a driver, isn't it? All these things which you aren't beneficial to you in the long run but drain you completely. By delegating these tasks to us, you reclaim your time, reduce stress, and enhance your quality of life. Don't let daily chores overwhelm you. Let us assist you every time.